Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dia Aining Tias from Industrial System Automation Class B. Okay, on this occasion, I would like to presentation about rotary actuators. Okay, let's get straight into the material. Okay, what is rotary actuator? A rotary actuator is a device that converts energy, or typically electrical or pneumatic, into torque via rotary motion. They are commonly used in industrial and manufacturing settings to control valves, doors, and other mechanical systems that require precise and linear movements. Some examples of rotary actuator include DC electric gear motors with gear reducers, pneumatic cylinders, and hydraulic motors. Okay, various types of rotary actuators. A. Manual rotary actuators. Manual rotary actuators are commonly used to control valves such as ball valve and quarter turn butterfly. And B. Electric rotary actuators. Electric rotary actuators, or DC gear motors, use electric power from a motor to rotate component. C. Fluid power rotary actuators. Fluid power rotary actuators, also known as pneumatic or hydraulic rotary actuators, use fluid power to rotate components. D. Rack and pinion rotary actuators. Rack and pinion actuators are mechanical devices that are used to control dampers or valves in industrial application. Okay, next, various types of rotary actuators. Scotch yoke rotary actuators. This specific type of actuator has a yoke attached at one end with a groove for a block that merrily slides back and forth and a sliding bar attached to a valve at the other end. Helical actuator. A set of helical gears and a cylinder are used by the helical rotary actuator to transform a linear input into an oscillating rotating output. Electrohydraulic actuator. While electrohydraulic actuator employ pressurized hydraulic fluid to operate a valve, electricity is their only available energy source. Vane rotary actuators. Simply put, the pneumatic and hydraulic vane type actuators use a minimum of one or two vanes that are attached to a hook in a circular chamber or wedge-shaped area, anywhere the vane can turn from 19 to 2018 degrees. Okay, this is a figure various types of rotary actuators. Figure 1 this is manual rotary actuator, and figure 2 electric DG gear motor actuator, and figure 3 fluid power rotary, and figure 4 rack and pinion type actuator. Okay, next, figure 5 Scotch yoke rotary actuator, and figure 6 helical actuator, figure 7 electrohydraulic actuator, and figure 8 vane type. Okay, how a rotary actuator work? Fluid power rotary actuator work. This actuator utilize pressurized fluid, oil or air to function, comprised of a cylinder containing a piston connected to a rotating shaft. When fluid is applied to the piston, it moves within the cylinder and causes the shaft to rotate. The extent and direction of rotation can be controlled by adjusting the pressure and flow of the fluid. Next, electric rotary actuator. These actuators use an electric motor to create rotational motion. The motor, DC or AC, is linked to a gearbox that reduces speed and increases torque, which is then transmitted to the load through a rotating shaft. The motor's movement is controlled by an electronic circuit that regulates the voltage and current applied to the motor. Okay, next, fan rotary actuator. Operate using pressurized oil or air to move one or more vanes attached to a hoop within the cylindrical chamber. When the actuator is pressed, the vane begins to rotate and continue moving until the stroke complete. Next, rack and pinion rotary actuators. These actuators use a gear system to convert linear motion into rotation. Consists of a rack, or a linear gear bar, and pinion, or a round gear, that interact with the rack. As the rack moves linearly, the pinion rotates, producing rotational movement. Okay, next, Scotch yoke rotary actuators. Convert linear motion from a piston into a rotational movement through a Scotch yoke mechanism. The forward and backward movement of the piston push a block mechanically linked to a yoke, which is connected to a rotating rod. The linear motion of the piston causes the yoke to swing sideways, generating rotational movement on the rod. Next, helical actuators. Use a helical arm to transform linear motion into rotation. Input of linear motion move a helical cam that rotates, translating this rotation into output movement. Suitable for application needing high precision and smooth movement. Okay, next, electrohydraulic rotary actuator. Combine the power of hydraulic force with electric control. Electrical energy is used to drive an electric motor, which pumps hydraulic fluid into the system. The hydraulic pressure is then used to drive the actuator, capable of producing linear or rotational movement. And the last, manual rotation actuator, operated manually using hand or with the help of a tool, often utilize a worm drive system to increase the torque that can be applied by the operator. Primarily, use the controlling valve or other mechanical device that don't require an external energy source. Okay, next, typical application for a fluid power rotation actuator. First, industrial machinery. Fluid power rotary actuator can be used in various types of industrial machinery such as cranes, hoists, and material handling equipment. Second, process control. They are widely used in process control applications such as controlling the flows of fluids in chemical, oil and gas, and pharmaceutical processing plants. And valve control, fluid power rotary actuator can be used to control fluid flow through valve in piping system, HVAC system, and other applications. For machine positioning, they can be used to adjust the position of machinery such as conveyor belts, positioners, and material handling equipment. Typical application for an electric rotary actuator. First, automation and control system can be used in various automation and control systems such as assembly line, material handling system, and packaging machinery. Second, automotive use. They are widely used in vehicle, for example, to operate the windscreen wipers. This motor that make the whisper go back and forth utilize DC gear motors. 3. Valve control. Electric rotary actuators can be used to control fluid flow through valves in piping system, HVAC system, and other applications. For machine positioning, they can be used to adjust the position of machinery such as conveyor belts, positioners, and material handling equipment. Typical application for a vane rotary actuators. First, industrial machinery can be used in various types of industrial machinery such as pumps, compressor, and material handling equipment. Automation and control system. They are widely used in automation and control systems such as assembly line, material handling system, and packaging machinery. And 3, robotic. Vane rotary actuators are used in various industrial and manufacturing robots, particularly for an application that require high force and low speed. For machine positioning, they can be used to adjust the position of machinery such as conveyor belt, positioners, and material handling equipment. Typical application for a rack and pinion rotary actuator. First, industrial machinery can be used in various types of industrial machinery such as crane, hoist, and material handling equipment. Second is automation and control system. They are widely used in automation and control systems such as assembly line, material handling system, and packaging machinery. And 3, robotic. Rack and pinion rotary actuator are used in various industrial and manufacturing robot, particularly for applications that require precision and high accuracy. Machine positioning, they can be used to adjust the position of machinery such as conveyor belts, positioner, and material handling equipment. Okay, next is typical application for a stouch yoke rotary actuator. First, industrial machinery can be used in various types of industrial machinery such as pumps, compressor, and material handling equipment. The second is automation and control system. They are widely used in automation and control systems such as assembly line, material handling system, and packaging machinery. And the 3 is robotic. Stouch yoke rotary actuator are used in various industrial and manufacturing robot, particularly for heavy-duty tasks and applications that require high force. And 4 is machine positioning. They can be used to adjust the position of machinery such as conveyor belts, positioner, and material handling equipment. Okay, next is typical application for a helical rotary actuators. First, industrial machinery can be used in various types such as pumps or air compressor. Second is automation and control system such as assembly line, material handling system, and packaging machinery. And robotic, helical rotary actuator are used in various industrial and manufacturing robot, particularly for application that require precision and high accuracy. Okay, 4 is machine positioning. They can be used to adjust the position of machinery such as conveyor belt, positioner, and material handling equipment. Okay, strength of rotary actuator. First is rotary actuator have a high torque which can drive heavy loads, has a wide application range which can serve various industries such as water treatment, oil and gas, and chemical and others. Easy maintenance as it does not require additional components such as rod, cylinder, or gear. Rotary actuator have easy installation as they can be mounted in various position and direction. Rotary actuators are suitable for harsh environment as they are resistant to dust, dirt, and moisture. Okay. Next is weakness of rotary actuator. Rotary actuator have low accuracy and precision as it is difficult to control the angle and speed of rotation. Have low efficiency as there is energy loss due to friction and damping. Has high noise due to the vibration and sound produced by the motor. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.